welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to be trying the slime. And we are going to be making big bubbles with this big humongous slime. So let me go get all the slime. Couldn't get better than that. At least we have two, Mom.
Don't slam things.
Okay.
Be careful. You have to take care of them.
I have my hands full. Okay. Was there a paper clip here? I don't know. Hmm?
Because the bag has a hole in it.
Oh, the bag has a hole. Okay, this is some gross slime, but still, I can get it out. I will show you. I haven't played with this slime in a long time. Like all of it. Yeah, so I pull on my sleeves. And it's kind of old. It's kind of an old slime. I made it. How long has it been? Since summer or something? I think August. It's been August and it's November. Oh, there's all this green. I know you're saying, Bentley, but the slime's green. No, it's actually a tealish color, bluish color, and there's like little green pieces in it. And I don't know what's happening with this slime. It's my first slime I ever made. And it's kind of a fail. Okay, I just picked up the empty bag. And this slime, oh crap, it's so heavy. It was like a pinkish thing. And then I had it off camera, but I was trying to make like a little smiley face with this plate, and the eyes were blue, and then I stuck it on, and I couldn't get it off. And the smile was this color, and I couldn't get it off. So that's why it's a cotton candy slime now. And this slime has big, humongous bubbles. Oh crap, this just broke off. Just droops down. Hold on. Oh crap, it cracked. So, wait, I'll do it faster for you. Oh crap! Okay. Let's kind of get in it here. Please don't stick like it did last time. Here it's starting to form a bubble. Oh, there's a big bubble in the middle. Wait, where's the cord? Oh. Bubbles. Bubbles everywhere. So let's slime is really good at making bubbles. I kind of like it. And this is a pink slime. My brother made this one. He made the red and blue. I destroyed the blue, and I made the green and yellow that I'm about to show you, and purple. Mom, where's my crunchy slime? Did you throw it away?
What?
That crunchy one.
I don't know what that is.
The one that I put Borax in and it made it crunchy.
Oh, yes.
Please don't try that at home. It got very, very messy. So I was trying to make slime with soap and water. Didn't turn out so well. So I got my other slime and mixed it in. Then I poured Borax in it. And it ruined my front porch. My back porch. This is a really good slime, too. And the big one, I'm just going to get it all out because it's... Jackson! Jackson! Why is he barking at? Jackson! Jackson, alright? What are you barking at? Why is there people running around outside? They're running across the road and stuff. Running all around the park. It's like people running back and forth to the road from the park. I'm not lying. I'm not trying to say this for the YouTube video, but I'm not lying.
There's people at the park playing.
Like people running across the street. Most of this slime is pretty good. But once I haven't played with it in a long time, I'll show you what happens. There was people running across the road from the street to the park. I thought it was like strangers that
Stranger danger.
walking to our house again. Like Mama took a picture of a man with a backpack on walking towards our house.
Who did?
I don't know. It was a random guy.
When?
I don't know.
Who took a picture?
Mom.
Oh. It's okay. Now we have an alarm system
But you don't have a...
named Jackson. He just told you there was people out there.
Well, maybe I'm asleep and my humidifier is on and I can't hear.
Huh?
What if my humidifier's on and so...
Oh, you can hear Jackson over everything. And he doesn't bark at everything like the stupid dog next door that barks constantly from 5 a.m. until dark. That dog never stops barking. Jackson only barks when we need to know.
Jackson wasn't here when...
Huh?
Jackson wasn't here. Okay, I just made a big bubble as you see, guys, and it was really crunchy.
A crunchy bubble?
Crunchy. Okay. So let me show you guys right here. I'm made for my YouTube. It stretches more fast than the other one does. Okay. And it makes bubbles more fast. Oh my gosh. like a bubble just guys, a bubble just like appeared. Do you hear that, guys? Oh my gosh, so satisfying. So that's a really good slime. And as I was talking about, once you don't play with it for a long time, it starts to, it literally feels like water. It just can pour. It feels like water, I'm not kidding. So I'm gonna take a little bit as an example. Let's see if it stretches anymore. No, it's gotten hard. You can throw that one away. Fail. Fine. This is my last slime. Get it. Oh my gosh, that is so watery. This is a watery slime. Wiggle, be more. Oh my, yeah. Oh, pony. Oh my gosh, this is sticking everywhere. Oh my. This is so slimy. Like it can stick. It can stick to any of y'all. Wendy, I know you're watching this, and it's really sticky. It can't come off. So if you make slime and you don't play with it, and Brody decides to play with it after 2 months, it's gonna get messy. Just to warn you, Wendy. Oh my gosh, it's so sticky. It's sticking everywhere. I'm only continuing for you guys that watches my video. Shout out to you, Wendy. Shout out to you, Wendy Corey. I love you. I love you, Wendy Curly. Oh my, so sticky slime. But so I can't really show you. I have to show you fast. It's sticking everywhere. Oh, my mom said don't get it in my clothes. It's everywhere on my clothes. And it's all over. It's all over the slime. No. It's not getting it out. This is a sticky one. And flip it over. It'll be fine. No one can notice. No one can notice. I want y'all to see my slimes I have laid out here. This one, it's a huge one. This one, and you can't see this little one. It's a little tiny one. Sorry. And this one, I have this one, sticky one. I just showed you guys. Okay, this one doesn't make bubbles pretty good. And we have this yellow one. That doesn't even work. Sucker. I like this one the most because it's sticky. And I really like the color of this one here and the color of this one. This is a fail. I'm throwing this in the trash. fam. So thank you guys for watching. See you later. Bye.